Equitable services for all for the school district means that we create the conditions by which all students have the opportunity to succeed.
I think people may not realize that Lombardi is, if I'm not mistaken, the only secondary school in Green Bay right now that has two cafeteria locations, and in particular, one that's located in the basement. This creates a number of challenges, both with staffing for our kitchen staff and Lombardi supervision staff, but it also creates challenges for our students having to travel through some narrow stairwells up and down to get food.
So we're standing in the gym, cafeteria, breakfast area, concert space, any big group activities happen in our gym. And in particular, the lunch is problematic because we serve close to 400 students at different points of the year and are unable to extend lunch periods. We have an hour and 10 minutes to get those students through. The other piece with having a gym would allow for indoor recess is extremely problematic. We have kids that are basically in the hallways playing games. And you have 75 students there, and then you have usually classes trying to walk through them to get to the gym or to their space for indoor recess. So that would allow us to get kids active during those indoor recess times versus watching a movie or sitting in the hallways that are usually cold.
I think a common theme with a lot of our buildings is impacting traffic, having congested traffic during drop-off and pickup times. I think an emphasis for this referendum is taking some of that traffic off the streets and creating dedicated drives for drop-off and pickup for not only parents, but busing as well.
Drop-off and pickup is probably a stressful time of the day for everyone, for families, for staff members, for kids. Our back parking lot is reserved for buses, so there's no pickup at that location. Unfortunately, because it's a busy time, we have many cars that maybe stop in the middle of the street, let their kids out, and you've got cars parked on both sides, you've got traffic going both ways, and now I have little ones that are running across the street. And so with some changes, we have some, I think, really exciting ways that we can improve that traffic that I think my families would be so appreciative of having a safer option to drop off their kids in the morning.